Want to know how to send voice messages as a prompt in Lovable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your lovable.dev website. So just simply open up your web browser and type in lovable.dev. So once that is done, here you should be seeing this interface opening up right here. So you can just simply log in. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So now once that is done, here you should be seeing various options. So right here you should be seeing square or the prompt shape right here. So you can just simply type the prompt accordingly, and right on the bottom right side right here you should be seeing this voice note icon. So this is where you can see or share voice messages as a prompt. So you can just simply select it right here, and once that is done, you can just simply allow using the microphone if it is blocked, and you can just simply prompt them. And here you can see you can just simply select this right here in order to stop it again. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.